Is coming in of the Samajwadi Party. They're hitting out at the Election Commission, calling it the chief spokesperson of the BJP. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has hit out at the Election Commission of India, accusing it of denying the receipt of affidavits submitted by his party in Uttar Pradesh. He took to social media site X. In fact, he presented a receipt and said that the Election Commission, which is saying that it has not received the affidavit submitted by his party in Uttar Pradesh, should check the acknowledgement issued by its own office as a proof. The statement came hours after the Election Commission gave Rahul Gandhi that 7-day deadline to submit an affidavit with evidence or issue a public apology over his voter chori claim. So now, of course, the Samajwadi Party also doubling down on its attack. Aishwarya joining us. Aishwarya, take us through the claims being made by Akhilesh Yadav.
Well, be it the Samajwadi Party, BRS and others, they had been stating that Election Commission of India is just not a constitutional body. It's the extended arm of the NDA. It is, the script that BJP has handed over. That was read by Gyanesh Kumar, the Chief Election Commissioner, yesterday. While the press conference was held, it was also stated by several of the opposition parties that while Rahul Gandhi submitted a documented proof, it was just mere a script that was read and nothing concrete that was was told by the election commissioner yesterday. And it is election commissioner commission who yesterday clearly stated that if Rahul Gandhi does not give substantial proof then on what he's claiming, then certainly within 7 days he should be apologizing to the nation or should be submitting the oath. But certainly it is now the opposition parties who have been stating that all of those affidavits that have been submitted till now has substantial proof. The vote theft allegation that Rahul Gandhi is leveling on the Election Commission, they have credible evidence to it. Election Commission should come out fairly, but whatever they are saying is just a mere script, an extended arm of the NDA, and that's what the opposition parties had been leveling the allegations. Certainly more political sharp reactions coming out from the opposition now.